Hello, my name's David and I own Little Houses Plus and Small World products. Today I want to talk to you about the wire that you will want to use or can use in your doll's house or projects that you are doing for lighting. I've got a question for you to start with, and the first thing is, can you tell me the difference between those two wires? The top one is the one that comes with the light. Quite often when you buy a light you have a wire on it with a plug on the end, and the one down here is the one that we use when we're talking about wiring a doll's house, the easy wiring system. And we do have a presentation on YouTube showing you what we're talking about with that. The other thing is, are you joining your wires together efficiently? We use heat shrink, and we also have a presentation on our YouTube channel showing how to use that. That's this one down here. Over here we've got the two wires, one that comes with the light, and this one here is the one that we are using normally for wiring houses. The one here, the one we use, has 6 or 7 wires inside the outer casing, and each one is nickel plated. This means that the electric will run much more efficiently through the wire. That will take up to about 12 volts. If you're wanting to run power for a much bigger light, and it's running quite a long way, like a chandelier or something like that, and you've got a big house, you might be wanting to look at this wire here, which is thicker. If you're trying to extend the units that we use once we've wired the house and bring the wires through the back, and that will be an SW1, S, SW04, S, SW03 and an SW06S. And we do a presentation on YouTube channel showing you how to use these. If you want to join more than one together, so you want to daisy chain them up, you're then looking to use this wire so that you bring all the power from one unit to another. I hope this has been useful, and you can find more information on our YouTube channel and also on our website, which is www.littlehousesplus-shop.co.uk, and you'll find all the information on there that you want, or you can always ring us and talk to us. Thank you for watching.